Hello guys. So for this assignment, what you're going to be doing is finding sources on the library tools for your research paper. Yeah, mostly we'll be using Academic Search Complete for this. I'll show you how to get to Academic Search Complete, and then you will write 3 of the version of annotations we're going to do this time. This time, all you'll need to do is find a citation for your source, and then a couple of pieces of information from each one. So let me read through this, and then we will go through the process of finding that together. Find at least 3 articles on Academic Search Complete. So you'll find 3 of them altogether. Remember to keep your search terms simple. Always a good piece of advice for Academic Search Complete. Copy the citation of the articles. Then read through them and find at least 2 useful pieces of information from each one. So you'll need to copy the citation, as I have done here, and you'll need to find a couple of useful pieces of information. So here I have a quote that I've gotten, where I've put this in quotes because it's something someone actually said. Here I've paraphrased. So it's not in quotes, but I've still left the page number in there so I can cite it later. So altogether, you should, at the end, have a document with 3 citations like this, each followed by 2, at least, pieces of information like this that you got from them. Think about this while you're writing your paper, or think about what you need for this paper to be complete, and try to find sources that have something to do with that. So let's go together and find sources on Academic Search Complete. I'll show you how to get there, and I'll show you what to do when you found a source. So first thing we're going to do, as we did last time, is go to the Kilgore Library. If you're just on the regular Kilgore College page, you will just scroll down to this big blue area down here at the bottom. And then in the center is the word library. Click on that. Click on the next one that takes you to the same place. And then down here you're going to click databases. You will then, to get to Academic Search Complete, you will click General and Miscellaneous, and then Academic Search Complete is the second one on the list. You'll have to log in with your login information, and that will take you to this page. Like we did last time, remember, always click full text and then put in your search terms. You want to make sure to keep your search terms as simple as possible, so try to keep it down to 2 or 3 words. I'm going to do gamification and education. I think this is the one we looked up before. So I ended up with 116 results. Just like we did with the argument paper, I'm going to skim through the titles, looking to make sure that what they're writing about is something that is related to what I'm talking about. If I like the title, I'm going to go down here to the subject line and skim through that, and make sure all of those are kosher with what I'm looking for. And if I like that, then I will skim through the abstract here. Once I've skimmed through that, I'll know what the paper is pretty much about. So if all of those seem to work for me, then what I need to do is go ahead and click on this article to go to the home page for it. I will then get my citation from over here by clicking Cites, and a little yellow box right here, and then scrolling down to MLA 9th edition, and copy-pasting this into my document. Once I'm done with that, I will go over to where the PDF full text is, and I'll click on that. Easy way to copy-paste. Control-C, Control-V, very convenient. Now my document is open and I can go ahead and skim through it. I'm going to look around until I can find some really useful pieces of information that I can use for my paper. Let's say this is actually what I was writing about. Down here I can see there's a lot of really good statistics that have been mentioned, but these are citing actually a different source, so maybe not them. Scroll down a bit. We want to find something that comes from this paper. So let's say that we like this quote here. Then I will scan the whole thing and copy that into my document. Let me open a document real quick. Okay, so I have a document open. Again, I'm going to copy paste the MLA. So we need everything below the word works cited. We have that. Next thing that we need is our quote, which we'll hopefully copy. Nope. In this case, I would need to just go ahead and type this out. It won't take that long. Make this go away real quick. There it goes. So we put all of this in quotes, and this is going to have a page number. So we're going to go back and find the page number. Here is 565, and the number one author is this person. I don't know how to say that name. Alright, that's one citation done. And now I would just need to go back and find another one from that one. And I'd need to go and find 2 more articles and find a couple pieces of information from each one. Once you have all of those put together, then turn it in to the assignment page and you're good to go. Alright guys, see you all in class.